Hey, this is Carl Emilius, and today I'm just going over, I'm not reviewing, I want to show you some of the features of my Toro Ultra Vacuum slash leaf blower. You cannot believe this. I'll tell you what number it is. I'll tell you what, I don't actually know the actual catalog number, but it's the Toro Ultra Vacuum slash weed blower or leaf blower, excuse me. So here we go right now. I'm going to pick it up. I'm going to switch the camera. So I'm going over here and you see some of the features. So right now we connected. It's really cool because you actually have a vacuum right here. It could be a vacuum. It's very valuable. Or it could be a leaf blower right here. So I'm doing the leaf blower mode. So it's electric too. So I got the cord. It's about a 50-foot cord. So I'm going to plug this in and I'm going to show you. All right. All right, so we're going to turn it on. I'm going to turn it on. Here's the button right here. I got to pick it up because there's air suction. So right now we're going to go. We're going to see what it does with the leaves. We're blowing the leaves. See all the leaves? Blowing all the leaves. Blowing them out to the street. Really good. Look at that. Take the leaves, blow them out in the street. That's really good. Blow them out in the street. Come over here. So we're blowing them out. See this? Taking them over. Then we take this. This is all electric, by the way. All electric. All those people using the gas power is just out of control. See it? See it? Blowing it, blowing it. I got the cord attached to it. So let's get to another feature that the Toro Ultra has. This is excellent. It can actually be an outdoors vacuum, primarily for leaves or like dead grass. And actually it will suck it up through this big tube and turn it into a type of mulch, which could be very valuable for you. I'm also going to demonstrate this right now. Thank you. Okay, for my final thing of this video is I want to tell you some of the features. I want to show you some pictures so you get a better understanding about what you're getting. All right, thank you. Okay, it comes with a nice handle, secure handle so it lifts, so it's a nice handle so you can lift it. It comes with a grill to protect you from the fan. It's a hard metal fan, so you don't want to do that. And it comes with a nice bag so you can collect a lot of leaves. And it comes with a vacuum tube as well. And it comes with an extension for the vacuum tube. And it comes with a leaf blower extension and nozzle. Very good. This is a very good product. And when you see it on Amazon or something, it's the best bang for your buck. I think it's under $100. I think it was like $79 or $75. Well worth the money. Just showing you a few more pictures or video of the unit so you get a better feel for it. Okay, this is great. Like I said, like I reiterated, I would buy this. I have it. I use it in my yard, as you can see. So this is it. Thanks, everyone. All right, bye.